Smile. Good evening, everybody, and hope you are all doing well. And today we are at Steven's cart celebrating his birthday. That's my Masi. That's Hansel. Sweetie Bye, my daughter. That's my sister-in-law there. She's bringing some delicious food, and I will take you to the birthday boy. And here is the birthday boy who is doing this fried rice. So, if you can see,
who's this?
There are many. Philip, hi. Always, and here he is doing. So when you come to Goa, please do come and visit here. It's right on Baga beach, opposite tourist information center under the banyan tree.
Behind the temple.
Okay. So now we are going to enjoy our food over here. Enjoy.